How to fix for your account security logging into Facebook for an embedded browser is disabled issue on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. The very first thing you want to do is update the Facebook app. So search for the app Facebook. After app appears, you will find the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. Once you do that, you can close this. Now open your settings app, scroll down, head towards the option of general, head towards the option iPhone storage. Now from here, find the app Facebook. Once you find it, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears all the cache for the app. Now click on reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, log into your Facebook account. After you log in, head towards the menu page. Now at the top right, you will find this settings icon, click on it. Now scroll down, under preferences you will find the option of media, open it. At the very bottom, you will find the option of links. Under that, you will find the option of open in external browser, toggle on for that option. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now moving towards next solution, you have to head towards the browser in which you are facing this issue. Long press on the app, click on remove app, click on delete app. Once you delete this app, open your app store. Now search for the app and install it. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix for your account security logging into Facebook from an embedded browser is disabled issue on iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.